guys, so we are at the mall right now. We're waiting on our food. And then we're gonna do a little bit of a comparison for you guys.
The impossible expensive and the impossible
Fast.
fast food edition. See you soon.
Hi guys!
We're back.
So today we're actually going to be trying out two different Impossible burgers. This one's from Burger King. And then this one is from,
Sorry.
this one's from Cheesecake Factory. And already the way that it's formed is completely different. This one is like thicker, and this one is flatter, but it's bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you want to stop?
Sure. Will we try first Burger King?
Yeah.
Alright.
You ready? Cheers.
That's actually really good. Now, comparatively speaking, this Cheesecake Factory one costs us $20. This one from Whopper, Burger King, was $6. So this is actually really good. Good flavor. It's not dry. We added a little bit of the vegenaise to give it a little bit more moisture because we weren't sure what to expect. I've had a lot of vegetarian like bean burgers and stuff like that were just very dry. But yeah, this is actually pretty good. I can't complain. Alright, this is a Cheesecake Factory one.
It's like
Massive.
massive.
It is $20 worth though, so maybe it has a lot to do with it. Also very moist.
I think the fact that it's thicker makes it harder to eat.
Yeah, it does have a taste to it though. It has a, like the Whopper does, kind of like when you're drinking a regular Coke in comparison to Diet Coke. The Diet Coke has that aftertaste. That's what the Cheesecake Factory one has. Like a little bit of an aftertaste. It's not bad. Like it doesn't like overwhelm me or anything like that.
It's saltier too.
Mm-hmm.
Right? What would you say is better?
I mean, they're both pretty good. I wouldn't. They're both pretty good. I think for the price and something like quick on the go, the Burger King one is like definitely a great option.
Mm-hmm.
Without a doubt, like you can stop at Burger King, grab yourself a burger.
No, but you know what? It might be dry without the mayo.
This is true.
Because we added the mayo in there, so it's not as dry. I think without the mayo, it might be a little bit on the dry side.
Maybe, but the flavor's there. Maybe you could just ask them that, like more ketchup or something. I don't know.
Ketchup and mustard?
Maybe some mustard. But overall, for $6, you get a really good burger, a lot of flavor. Doesn't have that aftertaste. Thank you, baby. Cheesecake Factory, if you're going on a fancy day, you want to shop. You pay $20 for an Impossible burger. Without a drink, by the way. Just a burger and fries. So good. I would eat it again. I would go to Cheesecake Factory for it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I feel about it.
Yeah.
I actually like the Whopper more than the Cheesecake Factory.
Hands down, yeah. I think the Waffle one is better.
It's just so thick, and so it makes everything so dry.
Whopper's good for Lana.
Mhm. They're both definitely dry though.
Oh, of course. What are you gonna cook that? About. I think it's gonna be like my new olive burger.
Really? The Whopper?
Mm-hmm.
The Impossible Whopper?
Growing up as a kid, my dad and I used to go like Friday nights when Whoppers used to be like $1, you know? And we'd go out and like buy like a couple Whoppers and have dinner for like on Friday night or something like that. The taste resembles that a lot. Like it kind of brings back that memory of what a Whopper tasted like, because you know it's been so long since I had one. And it doesn't take away from the originality of its taste, you know. Even though it's a meatless burger, it's actually like you're having like nostalgia kind of. Like wow.
Aww.
Nice job, burger.
I don't know. Originally, it was going to be Carl's Jr. versus Burger King, but we don't have a Carl's Jr. around here.
Yeah, so we decided to go with expensive versus affordable. I mean, $20 is affordable, but do you really want to spend $20 on a burger? Not really. But I do know for a fact that they're really expensive.
Your theater has Impossible Burgers, right?
Yeah, a case of it goes for like $80.
How many come in a case?
Can't even tell you. Not that many though.
Maybe some ketchup will help. I'm not a burger person, but I'll bring up the Impossible Whopper. But I don't know if I would eat it on the road because I think it would be super dry without the mayo.
Yeah. So when you're hungry, you have a drink.
That's true.
You deal with it.
Do you want more?
Yeah.
There's more to it.
Oh, you still gonna finish it?
No. I'm gonna finish the fries. Not bad, not bad.
But I'm curious to know where they got this from. It was massive. Right. Now you could do a comparison to this, but you can see the meat, how much bigger it is there. Well, the Whopper's like super thin. Makes sense, you know, $6, $20.
No, but it was smaller overall. Like the circumference of the Cheesecake Factory one was a lot smaller than Burger King. Oh.
Good.
Final verdict?
Hmm?
Final verdict?
Whopper.
Yeah, me too.
Cheers.